Hello, Jolie, Crochet Basics. And this is a vlog preview whips that I've been working on. This is number 8. So I'm trying to don't break the chain. So don't break the chain and accountability as far as things, projects I've been working on and everything like that. So I feel like what I feared was going to happen has happened with these vlogs. As far as oh, well, I'm putting up a video, so I'm not putting up other videos, like tutorials that I've been editing and stuff like that I've already filmed, or stuff that I want to do and stuff. So I'm really, I don't know, I'm rethinking that as far as getting back to working better, more efficiently. February was so rough on me, really. February was hard with just stuff with the house and doctors and cars and breaking down and stuff like that, and all types of things that I think even though it's March now and we're about a week into March, I feel like I'm in limbo. I feel like I'm waiting for the next big thing to happen where something's going to need all my attention, or something like that, or I need to rebound and get back to regular stuff, empty my brain or something, I don't have to be so consumed with everything that's happening in real life, outside of my crochet and stuff like that. So that's a thing. That's a thing with me right now. I've been in a slump, and then it's been raining for a few days, and now I'm really kind of in a slump. And even though I'm, still crocheting, of course, and everything like that, I don't know, feeling weird, I guess. So, but I didn't want to break the chain, and I wanted to, just do a quickie and stuff like that, quick vlog, and number 8, and keep it going. And then with that, so I did the Kiff, and I wanted to show one Barry. This is one version of the Barry that I made, because when I do a pattern, I do several prototypes. I do several different samples. And I have this one's bits and bobs and stuff. They're all there. They're waiting to be sewn on and everything like that. But I wanted to say about stuffing, you really have to pick your stuffing when you're making different projects, with crochet and knit and stuff like that, because even though a lot of them is polyester or polyfill and stuff like that, that not all of them are some of them are more a basting, or if that's what you call it, it's you can't get the needle through. So if you stuff it and you're trying to get the needle through, it's very heavy. It's a thicker, more, the fibers are heavier or more dense, or condensed, something like that. And then so I usually, my go-to is polyfill, because that one, I can always get the needle through. Especially when you're sewing on arms and different body parts and stuff like that for the amigurumis and things. So that's something I wanted to mention, different types of filler when you're stuffing your amigurumis and things. That's something to be aware of, because I know I've bought a few and I'm oh, but it's more for a pillow or a cushion, and not necessarily what I'm using it for, as to sew through it. And I always, and even though it's crochet and you think oh, I always keep in my little bag of tricks with my hooks, I always keep a needle nose pliers, so that if I'm having a problem getting sewing on and getting a needle through, or pulling it out the other side, I always I pull out the needle nose pliers and I'll pull it through and stuff like that. So just little things I wanted to mention, even though it's crochet, even with the safety eyes. I have a video that I did years ago on putting in the safety eyes, and sometimes I can't get them to go all the way down, so I use an adjustable screwdriver and a lightweight, like a 4 ounce like hammer, and I tap them in. So that's just something, like I learned to do to figure out how to, get them to go in tighter and to, be more stabilized and stuff like that. Little tricks and things, So, I don't know what else. Barry will be up there. The final version of Barry will be up there on my Etsy's by this weekend. And Kiff is already there. And I was thinking about doing one other character from that with them, but I'm not sure. I haven't decided on which character just yet, I'm kind of like going over the patterns in my mind, how I would make the pieces and things like that for that type of thing, because that's what I do, like I have to go through like the, how would I make this piece or that piece, or the hairline and stuff like that. And I guess that's about it for this one, number 8. On the vlog train here. Alright, so I guess with that, give a thumbs up, check out my other videos and stuff like that, and I have patterns and stuff like that. Free patterns up there that I walk you through and everything. So thank you so much for watching. As always, happy hooking, because it keeps you off the streets and keeps you, out of trouble and looking super cool. And I'll be back real soon, hopefully with a tutorial and not a vlog, because I have a bunch filmed that I'm just I'm working on them a little here and there, but I'm not I'm just don't seem to have full attention on them at this point, because I just had so much going on with just life. Ugh, life. Real pain in the neck stuff. My car battery died and all this stuff. Anyway, so with that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll be back real soon with another video. And have a super great day or night or whatever it is. Thanks a lot. Take care. Ciao.